Nike is set to bring back the Air Flight 89 Low for fall or holiday 2025, this time in a look nearly identical to last year's vintage green. The biggest differences are the use of a deeper green hue and a switch from white to sail on the sole, small tweaks that highlight Nike's strategy of relying on subtle updates to keep retro silhouettes relevant. Although some sneaker fans see the repeat as unnecessary given its limited hype, the model stays true to its nostalgic, college-inspired aesthetic and consistent identity. Retailing for $140, the sneaker will be sold via Nike and select retailers, reinforcing the brand's approach of blending heritage with slight refreshes rather than radical reinvention. By leaning on loyal collectors and those who value its steady appeal, Nike continues to use recycled designs as a way of sustaining interest in classic icons like the Air Flight 89 Low.